May music po ba tayo? So, kakanta lang po ako ng sandali. Must have been wrong, but it's over now. Lay a whisper, hold my pillow, leave the winter on the ground. Awake up lonely, that I am silent in your bedroom, in all around. Touch me now, I close my eyes, I dream away. He must have been in love, but it's over now. Almost I have good, but I lost it somehow. He must have been in love, but it's over now. It's all that wanted until the time around. Make believing that together, that I'm shouldered by your hand, but it and outside turn to water like a deep drop in your front. A little heart when thirsty, a dream away. He must be in love, but it's over now. What is that wanted now that living without? He must be in love, but it's over now. Almost I have good, but I lost it somehow. Yeah. Ayan, shout out sa 1 million viewers dyan. Paki-like, comment, and share. Practice pa more. Saglit lang. You must be in love, but it's over now. Almost a hug be good, but I lost it somehow. You must be in love, but it's over now. From moment we touch it until the day around. Nice to be in love, but it's over now. I was all that wanted, now that living without. You must be in love, but it's over now. Almost I have good, but I lost it somehow. Yeah, yeah. Ayan, he must have been in love daw. So, eto yung aming mga guys. Practice. So, 12 song. So, isa lang ang pipiliin dito, guys.
Huwag yun ako.
Ayan, paki-like, comment, and share. Mahina yung aking signal. Guys. May music ba ako, guys? Every breath you take. Every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say, every dream you place, a night you stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see? You belong to me. How put heart at string with every step you take, every move making, every breath you break, every smile you fake, every claim you'll stake. I'll be watching you. Since you're gone, I've been lost without your string. I dream at night, I can't, you're only you, face. I'm looking around, but it's you, can't you explain it feel good? Baby, baby, please. Practice lang to, guys, ha? Oh, can't you see? You belong to me. How my heart treats with the step you take, every move you make, every view you break, every smile you break, every claim you stake. I'll be watching you. Every move make, every step you take, I'll be watching you. I'll be watching you. Every move make, every breath you break, I'll be watching you. Every word you say, game you play, you belong to me. Every view break, every smile you fake, I'll be watching you. Ayan, every break you take down. O, diba guys? Nakakadalawa na tayo. Saglit lang to.
Sa dami ng germs ngayon, afford bang magkasakit
Ayan,
sa
hello,
mga?
hello!
Siyempre hindi.
Kusay lahat
Kaya
kayo.
I use my trusted safeguard. Now, mas pinalaki, mas pinasulit, mas protected with
May
complete
commercial pa tayo, ah.
protection.
Better safeguard than sorry.
Ayan. Saglit lang to. Paki-like, comment, and share na lang. Hindi ko alam kung may music ako, ha? Parang meron naman. O, di ba? If I sing you a love song, if I sing you a love song, we always remember we you heart in on lonely night when I am not around. If I sing you a love song, will you heart it forever to remind you how much I care and how I need you. Love songs last longer that living every do. So baby, let me sing a love song for you. Love song, don't leaving you, but living often do. Oh baby, I'm afraid it could happen to me and you. If I see you a love song, let always be with you. When you then another have gone away, let it still be there. Ayan, commercial pa siya. Instrumental. Love song lasts longer than living every do. So baby, let me sing a love song for you. Love song don't live in you like living often do. Oh baby, I'm afraid I could happen to me and you. Ayan, thank you so much for watching. O, diba, nakakatatlong kanta na tayo. Ha, ha. Instrumental ulit ah. Shout out! Lagpasan natin yung hindi ko pa ano. Mamaya ko na siya kakantahin. Ayan, shout out po sa 1 million viewers dyan. So, practice lang to, guys. Check me to your heart. Shout out kay Ma'am Beth. Ayan si Ma'am Beth. Hello sa'yo, Ma'am Beth. Habang wala akong kasama dito, practice lang ng ilang ano. Ending. Wait, wait. Hello po, Ma'am Beth. Lagpas na pala yun. Ulit. Check me to your heart. Parang yun yun. Check me to your soul. Meron na pala. Naumpisa na. Kasi iba kasi ito. Check me to your heart. Okay lang po. Ending. More than rain. Ang bagal. Trying forget but when to let you go. Maganda yan. Oo nga eh. Kaso so many people all around the world. Ito na naman ako. Tell me where to. Ayan na. Ito na. Take me to your heart. Take me to. Naano ko na to. Nakanta ko na eh. Nakanta ko na siya eh. Ba't ganon? Wait. Lagpasan ko muna siya. Ayan. Hello po. Hindi ko alam maraming bet. Ayan. Si Ma'am Bet. Ano, Pacho.
Mackie
ang dami mong account, ma'am.
ใส่แม็กกี้หอมๆให้รส
Ang
ชาติ
dami ka
กล
rin
ม
palang account. Kantahin ko muna yung mga kabisado ko. Ayan, watch up. Parang naghahabol ng ano, kasali ba? of years all my life is still and trying to get back that great big love for this nation. I really used when I knew I should that the world was made up of that crocodile open. Forever I mean into a crazy time when I lie in bed I just get her over I in my head and I feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning, I just sit beside and I'm taking a breath and I get free high and I speak it to my love, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Kailangan habis ka dito. Para kang umuungol ah. And I tried, oh my God, to I tried all the time. Is there an solution? And I pray, oh my God, to I pray every single day for revolution. And so I wake up in the morning on the step aside that I get a deep breath and I get free high and I speak it for my love, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Oo, parang uungol. And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I tried, oh my God, to I try over, try. So then let's grabe, puro ungol. Puro ungol to ah. And let's say, oh my God, to I stay single day for destination. O diba? Ano ba ito? Watch up nga daw eh, puro ungol. Grabe, ungol ng ungol. May original account. Ito yung binigay sa amin eh. 12 years so my love is still and trying to get back greatly love for a destination. Ayan! Watch up! Ito po yung binigay sa amin na yung dapat pag-aralan po. So, ayan, nilalagpasan ko muna yung iba, yung mga kabisado ko muna. So, yung mga hindi ko pa siya pag-anong kabisado, so yun yung talagang pinag-aaralan ko. Ayan, shoutout kay Ma'am Gibara Ninyo for watching. Ayan, hello po sa inyo dyan. Practice lang po ito, ma'am. Sa 12 song, isa dito pipiliin ng judges ang ibibigay sa amin. Ayan, all this time. Kaya may mga post na ako nito eh. Yung iba kasi kabisado ko, iba hindi. Yun ang pinag-aaralan ko. All this time, I know someday you need to find something that you left behind, something I can give you. All this time, and like a night love differently, but heart so good for true knowing, and memories come forever. All this time, all enough, I know pretend. The sun don't shine, the sun understand, and the heart forgive, the heart forget. Kaya nga po what will I do know? Will all this time, kung ano yung mabunot nila, opo. Kaya gusto ko yung mabunot tong mga kabisado ko. One more kiss, even that it's come to this. I close my eye and make a wish, hoping you remember all this time. Honey, no, I'm no pretend. The sun don't shine, the sun understand, and the heart forgive, the heart forget. What will I do know? Will all this time, paborito ko to say goodbye, apart and will another try. But don't be, if you cry, I'll be crying too. All these days. Yan, bagay sa'yo. Lagi ko kasi kinakanta to all this time. Kaya lang iba yung ano nila, yung talagang binigay sa amin na vocal song. Sa kanila nang galing to Sana nga ito na lang yung mabunot. Tsaka yung crazy for you. All this time, honey, no, I'm no pretend. The sun don't shine, the sun understand, and the heart forgive, the heart forget. What will I do know? Will all this time? What will I do know? Will all this time? O, diba? Pagkabisado mo, puro English po yung pinapakanta sa amin. Kaya ano, so ayan. So, pang-anim na itong kinakanta ko. So, mamaya yung anim, pag-aaralan ko. So, ayan, thank you po sa inyo dyan sa nag-support. Okay lang ako, kahit ilang views lang po yung sa aking live. Practice lang naman. Oo, para less copy. Oo po. Ayan, crazy for you. Iba talaga yung instrumental ng Kaya walang copyright talaga. Hindi katulad, iba sa YouTube lang natin. YouTube din, pero iba talaga to. Kaya nababagalan pa ako. Swaying room and the music start, straighting, making the most of the dark. Tuba, tuba, dar, big, big, can't want. I see you into smoky earth. I can feeling the weight from my stand. You close up, still all the way. What I'm trying to say, he need a crazy for you. Touch me one and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's all brand new. You're feeling in my kisses. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Sana yan. Oo nga po. Trying hard to control my heart. Are you over the world you are? Easy, I need words that all. Lonely night waiting to move. Every breath and different into you. So to standing in time. If you read my mind, ain't enough crazy for you. Touch me one and you know it's true. Shout out kay Sir Real Alberto. It's all brand new. You're feeling in my kisses. You're feeling in my kisses. Crazy for you. Touch me one and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's all brand new. You're feeling in my kisses. I'm crazy for you. Thank you for Sir Real Alberto. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Crazy for you. Practice pa more. It's all brand new. I'm crazy for you. And you know it's true. I'm crazy for you. It's all brand new. I'm crazy for you. And you know it's true. Yes, I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you, baby. Crazy for you. Thank you, sir. I'm crazy for you, baby. Ayan, crazy for you, diba? Yan yung mga kabisado ko, guys. So, ngayon, pag-aaralan ko naman yung mga hindi natin kabisado. Pero konti lang naman ang straight lang. Magandang vocalist. Opo. Kaya iwas copyright. Kaya ito talaga yung ginawa nila. Ay, grabe, Bon Jovi. Ito yung mga, mahirap. Panlalaki kasi, kailangan, I get your time, you're really living. O, di ba, panlalaki? I heard you kiss, standing goodbye. Okay, tama, hindi ko kapisado. Will ask me be broken heartless, breathing. You take you through love is cutie. You take you pretty out thousand ribs. And now you're screaming for that shore. You like me drowning in my dream. Dito lang kabisado ko dyan, And you won't save me anymore. I'm not to give you more the chance. I'll be there for you. This fabric is wet to you. I wanna be there for you. I'll be there for you. I didn't die for you. I still decide for you. Work and can't you with love can do. I'll be there for you. Di ba? Hindi ko talaga ano to. Sana yung mabunot na lang yung kabisado ko. You know we had something good time. Now then have third one. Ay! Pag-aralan. Masasanay ka rin, panlalaki kasi. Ayan, natatawa tuloy sila. Yun lang yung kabisado ko dun eh. But I can't yesterday. Ito lang oh. Yeah, baby, you know my heart had dream, but wanting to be your Valentine. I will be worth when you get freezing, baby. Nagbabasa na naman ako. You went to bed, ring, by and wing. Ay! Eto na. I'll be there for you. Is my part, it's wet to you. I wanna be there for you. I'll be there for you. I like that die for you. O, yan lang kabisado ko dyan. I wanna can't you see, quick love can do. I'll be there for you. Hindi naman ako si Bon Jovi. Paki. Hindi ako si Bon Jovi, ako si Carvela. O, di ba, panlalaki? I'll be there for you. Is my one I swear to you. I wanna be there for you. I'll be there for you. O, di ba? Oh, yun na natatawa tuloy. Shout out kay Ma'am Sarina ulit. Ikaw na lang kumanta nito, Ma'am Sarina. 6 lang yung kabisado ko. Ayan, may ibang ibon tayo dito. Yeah. Hindi ko nga kabisado eh. Yun lang kabisado ko eh. I'll be there for you. This my word is back to you. I wanna be there for you. I'll be there for you. I living a die for you. I die is that is proud to you. I wanna be there for you. I'll be there for you. There for hindi ako si Bon Jovi ah. Si Ma'am Beb talaga. For you. Kaya panalangin ko ang mabunot. Yung kabisado ko, nananalangin na lang ako. Yung kita mo. Work can do, you love can do. I'll be there for you. Ay, Bon Jovi. Pinanonood ako ng ano ko. Wow! Dapat may gitara pa. I'll be there for you. Ma'am Dari, saan ka? Lalaban sa ano? AEM. O, diba? AEM, I We Together International Team. Doon pa rin. Dalawa yung aking sasabakan. Sa ano, anniversary nila, Ma'am Dimples, kasali ako. And then, sa gabi naman, 5 p.m., kay Ma'am Chika Vlog. Yan yung binigay sa amin. Dapat may gitara ako dito. Beth Roses, kapag isa, oh. Grabe, puro mga Bon Jovi to, tsaka Bon Jovi na naman talaga. Panlalaki. Ayun, may dalawa kami kasama dun lalaki. Kaya nila yan. Sana mabunod. Diba? Hindi ko kaya to. May gitara pa tayo dyan. Ay, Eto na lang, oh. Sa linggo, November 9. Straining hard to want it, and we'll get all this piano, no. Trying hard to get your computer the moment this morning goes no. Cause a battle of focus is lost in my head. Somebody's not giving his night to my head. O, diba? Thinking that she is still is maybe bad. Ay, napahiga na raw. What in screws me first and wake up in the finish. Kiss me the morning. Ay, ang liit pa nang nakasulat dito, ah. About the love, the change. About thesis, Irene, kabisado niya to. Bed of Roses. Ito lang kabisado ko dito. You close my eyes, baby, you all that I need. Ito lang kabisado ko. Ayan, oh. I want to lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight I sleep on a bed of flame. Oh, I want to be just as close and wholly close and lay you down on a bed of roses. Yan ang kabisado ko dyan, eh. Well, I am so far away. It's stuff that I thinking. It's no my heart to hold. Oh, di ba nababasa naman? A kidney reason in this if it's not together. Still running up in that time. Too hard to get the throne. True bird in the wings will make me you. Just close my eyes, whisper, baby, love is true. Whisper daw. I want to lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight I sleep on a bed of sleep. Oy, tingnan nag-emoji dyan ng ano, luha, pakibura. Just as close and hold the glory and lay you down. Pakibura yung emoji na ano, umiiyak on a bed of roses. I will this hope to branch you free from. Oh, hindi ko nakatasabi. Patay ako dyan. And not say the end. But love to so hard, I think it's dying. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Hoy, burahin po, sino nag-emoji? Tingnan mo nga. May nag-emoji ng heart, oh. Oo. Pakidelete yung emoji na ano, lumuluha. Saya-saya ko lumuluha. Please delete to my emoji. Nakikita ko yung kung sino nag-ano yan. O, diba? Ayan si Sis Irene, kabisado niya yan. Bed of roses. Now you close your eyes. I know me, I think about you. Will my black marites is call me. O, may marites pa dito, ah. Nasama. Grabe, ah. Ayan, nagpa-practice, nagpapatawa ko, eh. Talaga, yun lang kabisado ko. No, di ba? Ayan, oh, sa party na yan. I want to lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight I sleep on a bed of sleep. justice closes in holy closes and lay you down. I wanna lay you down in a very process. For tonight I sleep on a bed of knee. I want to see justice closes in holy glory and lay you down. Closes pala yun. In a bed flow process. Shut up. Ayan, ayaw niyo tanggalin yung emoji na umiiyak. Sino kaya nun? Sino kaya naglagay nun? Ayan, practice lang to guys ha. Ayay, mag-iisang oras na ako. Grabe. O, diba? Practice pa more. Lahat kaming 12 contestant, nagla-live kami, kinakanta namin. Bahala na. Bahala na yung mabunot. Eto pa isa, oh. Tingnan niyo yung mga kinakanta namin. When you were hard before, holding look at eyes, you just like an angel. Oy, may angel ako. You're scanning me, kiss crying. You love me like a father in a beautiful world. I wish you're so special. You're so fucking special. But I am a free. I am a word to. What tell me as three? I don't belong here. I don't cry hard. I have control. I want perfect body. I want perfect soul. I want you notice I'm not too wrong. So fucking special. I wish you special. But I am wrong. I am a word. What the hell I am doing here? I don't belong here. Oh, diba? She running. Ito pa lang pala siya. She running room. She runs, 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 runs. Yan na ba yun? Run. So, di ba mag-iisang oras na ako? Wherever make you happy, wherever you went, you're so fucking special. I wish you is special, but I am a proud, I am a word do. What then hold you I am to hear? I don't belong here. I don't belong here. I want to special daw eh. I want to special. So, ayan. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung kakantahin ko? I'll be there for you. Yun na lang yung yata, hindi ko pa nakanta. Iwanan na kita. Sige po, sir. Thank you sa support. Enjoy. Salamat po. Malapit na naman ako matapos. Thank you, Sir Will Alberto. And thanks sa mga nag-support sa akin at nanood, nag-comment, nag-like, nagpatawa. I guess your time. Ay, nakanta ko na pala ito kanina. I'll be there for you. Every break na ano to. Nakanta ko na rin siya. Ingat, sir. Ayan, ingat daw po, Sir Will, sabi ni Ma'am Charina, ulit as installed. Kasi dapat kasama ka namin, Ma'am Charina eh. Pero nandun si Sis Irene, si Jenny Lazaron, si Ma'am si Sis Melanie Pailon, nandun kami. Okay lang kahit hindi ako makapasok, guys. Basta yung nirekomenda ko makapasok. Ayan. Alam niyo naman ako, nag-i-enjoy lang kahit hindi ako makapasok, basta makakanta. Yahoo! Diba? Makapasok na lang yung mga nirekomenda ko at yung mga nirekomendang mga kaibigan ko talaga. If I see you a love song. Kinanta ko na rin to. We'll always remember. We heart. Kinanta ko na siya. Kinanta ko na to kanina. Baka maano tayo. Every breath to stay.
Nasty.
Take me to your heart. Ito, take me to your heart. Watch up. All this time. Breaking my heart. Ito, love will keep us survive. Love will keep us survive. Diba? Ang hirap. Pero si Ma'am Sarina, kayang-kaya to. O, di ba? Kahit hindi gano'ng maganda yung boses ko, lumalaban ako sa mga magagaling. I was standing all alone. I just worked inside. You were reaching for a place to hide. Bakit may kantang na bagay sa'yo? Bagay sa'yo yan, Ma'am Sarina. O, di ba? Pinapatawa mo ako, Ma'am Sarina. Ang ibig ko sabihin, magagaling yung mga kalaban. At least lumalaban ako. O, pinakikita ko yung best ko. Pero okay lang kahit hindi ako makapasok. Tanggap ko na yun eh. Tanggap ko na. Pero kapag ako nanalo, itutulong ko sa mga senior citizen at sa mga bata. Kapag ako yung nanalo, tanggap ko na kahit hindi ako makapasok. Basta yung mga nirekomenda ko na sinama ko, nag-audition ako. Sana pagpalain sila ni Lord na makapasok sila. Hindi naman puro na lang sila yung nakakapasok. Kung tutuusin nga, laban kami, walang B8, walang mic, boses to boses na lang. O di ba? Bagay, hindi ba? Hindi bagay sa'yo. Ayoko na nga kumanta, mamaya na lang ulit. Ayan, matatapos na. Ayan, 10 minutes na lang ako. Ito na lang, ayoko na yan. Mamaya naman, napapagod na ako. Ito na lang kakantahin ko. Iba naman. Nagsasawa na ako eh. Dumudugo tuloy yung ilong ko kaka-English. Dumudugo na. I'm not perfect to English, you know. O, diba? Hindi man ako ayan, shout out kay Sir Raimundo Tamits for watching. Hello. Hello. Please delete to emoji to Pin. May naka-pin na emoji na lumuluha. Pin, bawal. Paki-delete. Ito na lang kakantahin ko, guys. Yung bagay, ayusin mo. Pagbasa mo. Sorry. Raymundo. Oh, tama na, diba? Raymundo. Ano ba yan? Tamis. O, diba? Do you speak English? Ayan, para siyang English. Ayan, oo nga. Ay, naku, ibang lahi. Ano ba yun? Ibang lahi to. Please join to my life and please behave. Speaking ano yan, speaking kemi yan Ayan, please stay to my life and please behave. Ayan, pwede kang mag-join sa aking life. Ayan, may music ba ako? Dalawang kanta na lang ako, guys. Baka madyabutan na naman ako ng aking ano. Ayan, ay oo, ibang lahi siya. Hello! May music ako, Ma'am Charina. Ayusin mo pagbabasa mo. Yung comments ko, ayusin mo. Ay! Mamaya, ulitin ko na. Yan, hindi ko na nasundan. Sorry. Ito, bagay sa akin. Kung ang tinig mo'y di naririnig, anong nga bang halaga ng buhay sa daigdig? Darating ba ang isa ngayon at magbabago ang panahon kung ang bawat pagdaing ay laging pabulong? Aanhin ko ba dito sa mundo ang mga matay nakikita'y di totoo? May ngiting luha at likuran, ang pag-asa'y tanong ay kailan? Bakit di natin isabog? Do you like to sing? Ang pagmamahal, sundan mo ng tanaw ang buhay. Mundo ay punan mo ng saya, gawing makulay. Isa lang ang ating lahi, isa lang ang ating libdi. Bakit di pagmamahal lang ialay mo? Pangunawang tunay ang siyang nais ko, ang pagdamay sa kapwa'y nandyan sa palad mo. Di ba't ang gabi mayroong wakas? Pagkatapos ng dilim ay may liwanag. Araw ay agad na sisikat, iilaw ang ating landas nung magkaisa bawat natin pangarap. Sundan mo ng tanaw ang buhay. Mundo ay punan mo ng saya, gawing makulay. Iisa lang ang ating lahi, iisa lang ang ating libing. Bakit di pagmamahal ang ialay mo? Pangunawang tunay ang siyang nais ko, ang pagdamay sa kapwa'y nandyan sa palad mo. Sundan mo ng tanaw ang buhay. Mundo ay punan mo ng saya, gawing makulay. Iisa lang ang ating lahi, iisa lang ang ating libing. Bakit di pagmamahal lang ialay mo? Pangunawang tunay ang siyang nais ko, ang pagdamay sa kapwa'y nandyan sa palad mo. So, ayan yung mga kinakaya ko. Diba? Kaya ano? Isang lahi. Ayan, guys. So, mag-out na tayo. Ayan, sakto. Mga isang kanta na lang.
Song may not be enough.
Para ano? O, di ba guys? Hello, hello!
I want to give him something special.
Nakaisang oras din tayo kahit na konti lang ang viewers ko, okay lang. Ayan, hello po sa inyo dyan guys. Thank you so much to all nag-support sa aking live. Like, comment, and share. And please, thank you din sa nag-stay sa aking live. Ayan, ang pag-ibig kong ito. Mga paborito ko kasi ito. Thank you so much to all. Umiiyak ang aking pusong nagdurusa, ngunit ayokong may makakita. Kahit anong sakit ang aking naranasan, yan ay ayokong kanyang malaman. Mga araw na nagdaan, kailan may hindi malilimutan. Kay tamis na araw ng pagmamahalan, ang akala ko'y walang hanggahan na. Ang pag-ibig kong ito, luha ang tanging nakamit buhat sa'yo. Kaya't sa may kapal, pinay dalangin ko, sana'y kapalaran ko ay magbago. Medyo may konting saltik pa, ilalamon ako, malap-malat ah. Mga araw na nagdaan, kailan may hindi malilimutan. Kay tamis ng araw ng pagmamahalan, ang akala ko'y walang hanggahan na. Ang pag-ibig kong ito, luha ang tanging nakamit buhat sa'yo. Kaya't sa may kapal, pinay dalangin ko, sana'y kapalaran ko ay magbago. Ayan, nawawala. Nawawala, disconnect. Ayan, malapit na ako matapos. 58 minutes na walang bigla. Ang pag-ibig kong ito, kapalaran ko ay magbago. Ang pag-ibig kong ito, luha ang tanging nakamit buhat sa'yo. Kaya't sa may kapal, pinay dalangin ko, sana'y kapalaran ko ay magbago. Ayan, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. So, ayan guys, so yun lang. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga nag-support, nag-comment sa aking live. So, magpapaalam na po ako guys. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. So, practice to live singing contest ni Carmela L. Ibanez. May nag-emoji talaga. Ayan. Ma'am, Gibara, ninyo, salamat po. So, ayan, nakaisang oras na rin tayo guys. So, maraming salamat po talaga sa nag-stay, nag-comment, at nag-share ng aking live. Nakinig. Ayan, hindi ba kayo nabingi? Ayan, thank you po, ma'am. So, magpapaalam na po ako, ma'am. Ayan, di ba? Nakaisang oras din si Carmela L. Ibanez sa kanyang practice singing contest. Ayan, bye-bye po, ma'am Gibara ninyo. Mention nyo lang po ako kapag mag-live po kayo. Para dumaan sa wall ko, pati yung inyong mga content na makapag-comment po ako. Kailangan kasi organic tayo ngayon. Hindi tayo pwedeng pumunta dun sa sa mga account ninyo, bawal po kasi yun, natitrace ni Boss Meta yun. So, kailangan organic. Halimbawa, nag-comment kayo sa pinost ko, so babalikan ko kayo. Ganun. Kaya yun ang tinatawag na organic. So, ayan. Pag naman nag-live naman po kayo, mention nyo lang yung name ko, darating po ako. So, ayan. Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat, guys. Bye-bye na po. Ingat-ingat. Magpapaalam na po ako. Ayan, November 9 po. Supportahan niyo po ako sa Stream World. Ayan. I-share ko na lang po yung live. Tapos, 5 p.m. po yun. November 9 naman ng tanghali sa anniversary. Singing contest din po. Nila Ma'am Dimples, nila Founder Mylene Lagata po. So, ayan, kasali po ako. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye po. And then, supportahan niyo din po yung aking challenge. Challenge po ni Ma'am Adora Abanto. Yung looking for, basta, yun nakapost na siya, guys. Kaya lang, ang laki na nung kalaban natin, guys. So, thank you so much po. Bye-bye!